protecting your home from water damage. Are you tired of dealing with water accumulation in your basement or crawl space? A reliable sump pump and French drain system can provide peace of mind and safeguard your home from costly water damage. What is a sump pump? A sump pump is a device that removes water accumulating in a sump pit, typically located in the basement or crawl space. It automatically pumps water out of the pit and away from your home, preventing flooding. What is a French drain? A French drain is a trench filled with gravel and a perforated pipe that redirects water away from your home. It's typically installed along the foundation or in areas prone to water accumulation. Benefits of sump pump and French drain installation: prevents basement flooding, reduces water damage and mold growth, protects foundation integrity, increases home value, provides peace of mind. Installation process: 1. Assessment. Determine the best locations for the sump pump and French drain. 2. Excavation. Dig trenches for the French drain and sump pit. 3. Installation. Place the sump pump, French drain, and piping. 4. Testing.
Hello, I'm Andrew from Shalin Plumbing. If basement flooding is a constant worry for you, we have a solution. Our skilled team specializes in installing dependable sump pump systems designed to keep your home dry. We prioritize using high-quality pumps and materials, ensuring the water is effectively removed. Our installation process includes a thorough assessment of your home's specific needs, selecting the appropriate sump pump, and expertly installing a system with all necessary piping. Plus, we conduct performance tests to guarantee everything runs smoothly. With Shalin Plumbing, you can expect excellent installation, competitive pricing, and outstanding customer service. Don't wait for water damage to occur. Reach out to us today to schedule your sump pump installation and safeguard your home.